Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this square. You can see from the middle part it's all round double crochet, and at the end we have the corners. So I'm going to show you how to make this round and add the corners to make it a square. So let's get into the video. I'm using a 6mm crochet hook and wasted yarn. So let's start with a magic ring. No, we use the black color first. Start with a magic ring. Chain. This is the yarn that I'm using, super soft twist. So let us start with our magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this. Pull out the yarn. Grab the working yarn like this. Chain one to fasten the ring like that. Chain, make a chain of 3, and into this ring we are going to make 12 double crochet, this being our first double crochet. Yarn over into the ring, yarn over, yarn over. That's a double crochet. Again, and yarn over. We have 3 double crochet. Continue until when you have 12 double crochet into the ring. I have my double crochet into the ring, 12 of them. Now we are going to make a slip stitch onto our chain 3, which was our first double crochet. On top of it, make a slip stitch to close off the ring like that. Hope you can see. Chain 3 again. Make 2 double crochet into each and every double crochet like this, all around. 2 double crochet. From 12 we will now have 24 double crochet. Continue until when you get to this point. Now at our last point, this one, we have to add a second double crochet When you count, you'll have 24 double crochet. Slip stitch again, chain 3 into the first one, make 2 double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, then 2, like that, until when you get to our beginning point. It is 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we now slip stitch. This is our last round of color black. And this is our circle. So we are going to cut off this color black yarn and add our second color, from which we are going to turn this circle into a square. Go through and fasten it. You can hide this right away like this. So this is our square. This is our square. No, this is our circle, which we are going to turn into a square like this one. Using our second color, you can either first make a knot like this, choose any point from your square, chain 3, or if you don't start it that way, you can as well fasten your yarn like this, pull through, get this remaining yarn, pull it over the hook like that. This is another way of fastening your yarn. Then chain 3. This is our first double crochet. Into the next we are going to make another double crochet. That's 1. Into the next we are going to make a half double crochet like that. Into the next we are going to make a single crochet, a single crochet again, as 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, into now the seventh point we are going to make a half double crochet, and next is a double crochet. Next is a double crochet, chain 2 into the same point, make another double crochet. So this is our first corner here. depending on how many double crochets you have on your circle. That will give you where your corners will be. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Into the 9th we are having a corner in each and every 9th point on this circle. So from here we are going to make 8, that's double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Then into the 9th point, from this point you put a corner. So the next one is going to be a double crochet. It's always a double crochet and a half double crochet, then to a single crochet, then half double crochet, like that. Now the next one is a single crochet, single crochet, 2 3 4 5 6, 7th point, half double crochet, 8th point, double crochet. Into the 9th point we have our corner, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. So continue like that until when you get to this point. Now at our last point we are making our last corner here where we started from, chain 2 and slip stitch like that, chain 3, you see our square has finally formed and it's not crooked, as you can see. So let's continue, chain 3. This round we are making only double crochet all around, no more single crochet, no more half double crochet. We are making double crochet all around. The square. Now when you get to the corner, you're going to press 2 double crochet into the chain 2, then chain 2 again and make another 2 double crochet. So that's what we are going to be doing in each and every corner. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Now at our last point, we chain 2. We already have our first double crochet. Now we are going to add 1 and slip stitch to complete our corner. Chain 1. If you want, you can continue and make it bigger than this, or you can stop there depending on what we want to do with a square. Me, I'll stop here. This size is enough for my project, but if you want, you can continue and have it bigger than this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share with a friend. This tutorial is beginner friendly. So see you next time when I'm showing you what I will come out with these squares. I'm going to make a number of them and have something done. So see you then. Love you. Bye bye.